Hello, my dear students. I hope all of you are doing well. We have uploaded already the Assessment 1 and Assessment 2 on School Portal. For the successful completion of Assessment 1 and Assessment 2, listen carefully. You need to follow the following instruction. Point 1. Write only the answers on an A4 size paper or in your notebook. Also, you can type your answer in a Word file on your computer, and then write the correct question number. Point 2. The picture of the completed work must be uploaded on the parent portal. Point 3. It is compulsory for a student to submit the assessment work. Point 4. For any queries, use the Query tab to communicate with the teacher. For Assessment 1, it is based on homework number 1. The topic is liquid to gas. On your student book, it is on page 48 to 49. This is the worksheet for Assessment number 1. First part of Assessment 1, give one word for the following. Number 1, it is the change of state from liquid to gas. Number 2, it is a hot vapor form when a liquid boils. So you're going to identify what is being asked in each statement. Second part, true or false. Write true if the statement is correct and false if it is not. Number 1, evaporation happens when a liquid substance becomes a solid. Number 2, the molecules move and vibrate so quickly then they escape into the atmosphere as molecules of water vapor, meaning during evaporation, the water when it's being heated, the molecules move and vibrate so fast or quickly and they escape into the atmosphere and turns into the molecules of water vapor. Number 3, heat of the sun increases the rate of evaporation. 4. The water evaporates faster on a sunny day than on a windy sunny day. For part 3 of assessment number 1, you're going to give 4 examples of evaporation. You're going to write 4 different examples of evaporation. I'll give one example. Drying clothes under the sun. Last part, answer the following questions. Number 1, what causes the water to evaporate? So what is the main factor why the water is evaporating? Number 2, why the process of evaporation is responsible for the water cycle in nature. So you're going to explain why the process of evaporation is very important for the water cycle in nature. That is for assessment number 1. So you need to complete the 4 parts of assessment number 1. And now for assessment 2, it is based on homework number 2. It is same topic, liquid to gas. On your student book, page number 48 to 49. This is the worksheet for assessment number 1. First part of assessment number 2, complete the sentences using the words in the box. You have 4 choices, evaporation, steam, heated, and liquid. First sentence, the process of a blank changing into a gas is called blank. Second, when water in a liquid state is blank, it evaporates. Last, water in a kettle boils and turns to blank. You're going to choose the answer from the list of words in the box. For part 2 of assessment number 2, look at the given data below from the experiment conducted by Jaime and answer the corresponding questions below. You can see this given data as well on your student book on page 49. First column of the table, container A, B, and C. Second column, volume of water at start, and the third column, volume of water after 2 hours. For container A, the volume of water at start is 100 ml, and the volume of water after 2 hours is 90 ml. For container B, the volume of water at start is 100 ml, and after 2 hours, the volume of water is 50 ml. For container C, the volume of water at start is 100 ml, and the volume of water after 2 hours is 10 ml. And now, you're going to answer the corresponding questions. Number 1, which container of water evaporates faster? Number 2, which container of water evaporates slowly? Number 3, does the size of container affect the rate of evaporation? For part 3 of assessment number 2, true or false, you're going to write true if the statement is correct and false if it is not. For number 1, evaporation is a cooling process. Cooling process means removal of heat. Number 2, evaporation is when warm air condenses a cold glass. So moisture vapor in the air condenses into droplets of water. Number 3, evaporation is the process in which water falls from clouds down to earth. Number 4, evaporation is the change of water into ice. For the last part of assessment number 2, you're going to answer the following questions below. Number 1, where does the water go when it evaporates from a liquid? So when the water evaporates from a liquid, where it will go? Number 2, what is making the water to evaporate? And number 3, which evaporates faster? A pan of a hot water in the fridge or the same pan left at room temperature, and why? So that is for assessment number 2. Thank you for listening and good luck.